Okay, I pushed record. Okay, the first thing that I want to talk about is when y'all log on to Zoom, you log on to Edmodo and you can see my pinned post, right? And in my pinned post, there's a calendar, correct? I'm going to need to make a correction on the calendar. For next Thursday, I can't do Zoom at 3:30. I have to do it earlier. So I'm probably going to have to either change that to 10 o'clock or I'm going to have to cancel it. But we're still having our Tuesday Zoom at 3:30, okay? But just that Thursday. And Ashley, you're already coming. You're making that face. But you're going to be here in person on Wednesday. So you're not going to miss anything. And Miss Lisa's last day is Tuesday. So I want to...
Thursday, anytime is fine. Actually, I'm off Wednesday and Thursday. So I'm coming to you Wednesday, but I'm off Thursday. So that's fine. Whatever time you do it, I'll be available.
Okay, so I'm changing next Thursday's Zoom to 10 o'clock.
Okay.
And I'll make that change on our calendar so everybody can see that, all right? Do y'all like having the calendar? Does it help you know?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right, that's number one. Number two, after next week, we go on our 2-week break, right? On that 2-week break, you're going to be given a project. That will be due the 4th, the day that you come back. It is a major grade. Ashley's been to Unitech before. She knows how this works. During your break, we have the hardest time getting students to come back after the holiday. I want an assurance. Miss Lisa's leaving us on the 15th, so but I need an assurance you guys are going to be back on Monday and you're going to be ready to go, right? Come too far to quit now, correct? So next Thursday, we'll be talking about that project. And it's going to be a fun project. It's not going to be a horrible project. It's going to be fun, okay? All right, I'm going to let Ashley get in the house and get settled, and then we're going to start our review.
You can go ahead. It's okay.
Oh, I don't want to do that yet. Okay, this is what I want to say. I'm going to ask you something. So, do you know the definition of quantitative or qualitative? Do we know the answer? Do we know those definitions? You need to make sure that you know the definition to qualitative and quantitative. So if I said, what type of drug test measures the presence of a drug in the specimen, would it be quantitative or qualitative? What type of drug? Qualitative or quantitative? Miss Lisa, you're on mute. I can't hear you. You're still on mute, Miss Lisa?
Well, I don't see how. Let's
No, you are now. You're good now. Okay.
Got me.
So what type
now say what the question was again.
Okay. What type of drug test measures the presence of a drug in the specimen? Quantitative or qualitative?
Qualitative.
Measures the presence. So qualitative, does everybody agree? Yes, that is right. Qualitative measures the presence. What is?
Do I have a paper to go along with this, Marsha? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, huh?
Do we have? Is that on the page that I got? No, that's all.
We gotta write these answers down for tomorrow.
Qualitative and quantitative, you need to know them.
Wow.
So if qualitative measures the presence, what measures the amount?
Measures the presence.
Qualitative measures the presence. What measures the amount? Quantitative or qualitative?
Quantitative.
That's right. So qualitative measures the presence. Quantitative measures the amount.
Got it.
Okay. So you guys, I don't know if you remember when we were coding it in some of the surgery section, we were looking at venipunctures and we were like, why are venipunctures in the blank section? Why aren't they in the path and lab or the medicine section? So here's your question. In what section would you locate codes to report venipunctures and arterial punctures? Surgery, E&M, medicine, or path and lab?
I know.
What you think, Ashley? Where are venipunctures found? Surgery, E&M, medicine, path and lab.
Path and lab. No, that was wrong. It's in an awkward spot. Medicine? Was it medicine?
No. Where's it at in Jada? It's in surgery. Remember, we couldn't figure out why it was there. But venipunctures and arterial punctures are actually in the surgery section. But path and lab is where the blood goes to get tested, right? So that's what we're coding in path and lab is the tests that are actually getting done on the blood, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got that? Okay. Okay. Qualitative analysis is defined as determining the amounts and proportions of chemical constituents, analysis of a substance in order to ascertain the nature of chemical constituents. So would it be A or B?
Say the answer choices again, please.
Okay. Qualitative analysis is defined as, here's the first one, determining the amounts and proportions of chemical constituents, analysis of a substance in order to ascertain the nature of chemical constituents.
Is A.
It is A. It's determining the amounts. Hi, Miss Penny.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Because qualitative is for the amount and quantitative is for the something.
It's B.
A is B. And let me tell you why, Ashley. Qualitative measures. Hang on.
You said qualitative is the amount.
Qualitative is the presence. Quantitative is the amount. Okay, think of quantity.
Okay.
What is the quantity? Quantity is an amount measurement, right?
Gotcha.
Anything else is going to be the opposite one. So quantity or quantitative is amount. Qualitative is the opposite of. It measures the presence, okay? All right, now I'm going to quit this and I'm going to go ahead and pull up some coding examples, okay? Do we have our CPTs ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the first coding scenario we have is an influenza B immunofluorescence antigen detection. So where do you think that we need to start?
Influenza.
I don't hear y'all talking. What do you think we need? I heard Ashley say influenza. What do y'all think?
Where to start? Read it again. It's too blurry for me.
And influenza B, immunofluorescence antigen detection.
Let's see. I think I would go to the organ and disease oriented, huh?
It's 87275. You said influenza B, antigen
Okay.
detection.
Well, just tell us how you got there, though.
Oh, I went under influenza B, and then it drops it down to antigen detection, and then you either could choose from immunoassay or immunofluorescence.
What page are you on in your CPT?
It's not going to be the same
1004.
page. It's not
I'm
going to be
in
the
2020, so you probably like 2 pages before me or 2
I'm
pages
in-
after me.
I'm
I'm not sure.
2020. I'm in the 2020.
Oh, 1004.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Penny, you got your new. I forgot you got your new manual.
No, I've had it. I've been trying to like label it. I'm really trying to work in this book, so I
Yeah.
have like both open. It's ridiculous. Have you ever had 2 people using 2 different CPTs? No, it's not okay.
Okay, so I see where I went straight to influenza B, and then it has that immunofluorescence, and it says 87275. Do we stop right there in the index, or do we go to the tabular?
We gotta go to the tabular because we always gotta take it check.
Because we got to code 2 ways, always, right? 2 ways. So Ashley came up
Where
with
did
the
y'all go
code
to influenza what?
influenza B.
Oh, okay.
And do you see the immunofluorescence down there, Miss Lisa?
Not yet. I haven't gotten to it. Eight 7275.
Yes, ma'am, that's right. Okay, let's move to number 2, which is very gross. A wet mount to determine a vaginal yeast infection using a KOH prep. So where do you think we should start?
Is it infection? No.
I will go vaginal yeast infection first.
Okay, but is that our diagnosis or is that what we did?
That's what the diagnosis is, huh?
Yeah. So, but you can try that, Ashley. I'm not saying that it's wrong. We're just talking about it. Well, it's not under wet mount. I can tell you that. Because I had to look at
What?
What?
Wet mouth.
Wet
Mount?
mount. M-O-U-N-T.
Or
Mount.
mount.
Like,
I
where
said
is
wet mouth.
No, wet mount. M-O-U-N-T.
Okay.
Well, I don't even see vaginal yeast infection, so
Well, that's because
Well, when you said that, I just went to KOH prep.
Okay, did you find it?
Yes, KOH prep, and then go to
Oh, I see it too.
KOH prep, and then
maybe fungus.
So it gives
Yeah.
the slide tissue examination, ectoparasita, ova, fungus, or mite. Well, if you look, they're all the same doggone code anyway.
Oh yeah.
KOH. That's how you found it? KOH?
Yep, it's under KOH.
All
I
right.
still haven't found it, so
Oh,
hold on.
It's on
It's on page 1014.
Okay, KOH.
You said fungus?
And then I got 87210.
220 because they all the same. But yeah, I would go under KOH fungus because that's a fungus. Yeast infection is a fungus or bacteria, whatever you want to call it.
All right, well, I'm going there. 87220. Tissue examination by KOH slot of samples from skin, hair, or nails or fungi Okay.
8-7.
Okay, remember when we talk about, I kind of pick and say, it's like when you read the Bible, you have to kind of read below, above and below sometimes. When you're looking at 87220, it says tissue
It's
examination.
87210.
Huh?
It's 87210.
Well, but let's look at why. Because our
It's like wet mount for
right,
infection.
but
age.
whenever you start looking, when you read 87220, it says tissue examination by KOH slide of samples from skin, hair or nails or fungi or ectoparasite, ova or mites or scabies. That doesn't line up with what we're looking for. We're looking for vaginal yeast infection, right? We're not far off because we're in KOH. So if you go the one below, which is 87210, it says wet mount for infectious agents, saline, India ink, KOH, preps. Do y'all think that's our code?
Which one you said? 8-7 what?
210.
I agree with that one.
Me too. Me too.
What you got, Anjada? You think it's 87210? Are you able to?
Yeah, I think it's 87210. But I don't think you heard me when I was saying it.
Yeah, well, I had to turn y'all back on because it's hard to it's hard to listen when I can't see y'all.
Okay, I was trying to work on it.
Hey, Miss Fingernail Lady,
Yes, ma'am.
what you think?
87210.
That's what I think too. When you guys are looking at these codes, I want you to really remember what you're looking for. If you don't feel like there's enough of it lining up, I want you to look above and below because we know KOH is in this section. We just need to make sure that we're picking the code that lines up the best, okay? All right, so let me go back to screen share.
Yeah, this is a tough chapter.
Right. Well, that's why we're doing a review, Miss Lisa. I'm trying to, give a little bit more practice here.
Yeah. It's just tough.
Yeah, it's one of the tougher sections. The next one is an intradermal tuberculosis test.
I'm going TB or tuberculosis, sorry. You said it's what? Tuberculosis?
An intradermal tuberculosis TB test.
I'm going to go 865.
Hey, wait for us.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Slow your roll, girl.
I'm sorry.
I'm trying to make up for when we had the meeting that day.
So we're doing a intradermal tuberculosis TB test.
Move, puppy.
Looking under tuberculosis.
Yes. And then I'm going to go back and check mine because we always got to code 2 ways.
I don't know how to spell tuberculosis.
Just put TB, baby. That's the same thing. A TB test.
Yeah, but it's not listed under TB test.
Well, yeah, that's how the TB test is.
It's TUBER.
So it's 86580, right? 86580.
Wait, Penny.
What'd I do?
I'm just playing. That's what Miss Marsha just said to me.
Oh, yeah, she did. I didn't know what she was doing. 865.
I'm gonna just wait for y'all.
Oh, Lord. All right.
I got it.
What is she laughing at?
All
What
right.
happened? What happened?
Because I was sitting here listening to y'all. I already had the answer, but I'm just listening to y'all talk. And so I'm not even. Okay. What you got, Penny?
I got 86580.
Yes, ma'am, that's right. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. A blood count. CBC automated with a differential.
Can you say it again? 87 what?
Wait, what? What are we on? Because I'm confused now. Are we on the new one or are we on the old one?
Number 21 is 86580.
580.
Number 22 is what we're doing. I'm sorry, y'all don't have numbers. This one right here that I'm pointing at is 86580. We're moving to a blood count CBC automated with the differential. I want to hear y'all talking to each other about it.
Where's this form at? Did you email? I don't know. I don't have this form. Is this just on here?
We don't have it. That's testimony.
Oh, I thought it was.
I didn't send it out because I wasn't going to send you the test. So that's why I'm doing the review.
Wait, am I supposed to be writing this stuff down?
You might want to.
Yes.
Well, or you can go back and listen to the video again because I'm going to put the video up.
You can. She recording it.
I'm recording it, and there's also some news that you need to know at the beginning. So just go back and listen to it.
Okay.
Okay, so who's got a blood count CBC automated with differential?
This is stupid.
What?
It keep.
Hey,
It
listen,
keep bringing-
look at my face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's recording. People watch this.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna make sure.
That's why I keep
totally
myself on mute because.
Well, the whole idea to coding is we're coding together as a team. You're not going to be working by yourself. You have a team. That's what we want to talk about. So a blood count CBC automated with differential. Where do you think we should go?
Sending you, like if you go to blood count, it sends you to complete blood count and then it sends you back to complete blood count. Like it keep going back and forth. So you don't even really find the answer.
I think go to the D word. No, the A word. And you, what else? That
Automated?
No, that's not it.
And these aren't even numbered.
Say it again.
These don't even have numbers.
Blood count, blah, blah, blah. Can you say it again?
A blood count CBC automated with the differential.
See, yeah, that's not going to help nothing because if you go to blood count, it says complete CBC, C complete blood count. And then when you go to complete blood count, it says C. Wait, let me tell you exactly what it says. This is just frustrating.
Then
when you go to complete blood count, it goes to C blood cell count, which I just went to blood count, and then it's gonna send me back to the same spot again. So that doesn't help anything. Blood cell count. Complete CBC 85025. Oh no, I lied.
How you lied?
Because it's like differential. Oh no, never mind. 85025, and then I go to 802. I'm telling y'all how to get to it because I'm trying to figure it out myself.
Okay, well, you have to be more clear. How did you get to where you went? What did you look up?
But crap, now I gotta go back to it. Hold on. Blood cell count. It's on page 920 for 2020 books. And then I went to complete CBC. Blood cell counts. Complete CBC. 805025-85027.
Okay, so then we need to go look in that code range, right?
Yes, ma'am. 85. Sorry, I'm making all these noises because that's what I do at home when I'm doing my book. And then we get to 80. Automated. You said automated and what else?
With a differential.
Okay, so it's 85025, complete automated and automated differential. It's on page 599 in pathology.
Did anybody else understand that or get there?
No, I don't know. what's
No.
going on.
You don't
Uh-oh,
know what's
sorry.
going on because you're doing your other stuff while we
No,
go.
because I'm trying to find it in the book, but I
I
didn't,
gave you the
like, I was trying to
pages.
find it in the book to see,
You're
to go
going
along
too
and see if I can
fast.
find it
Ashley,
first.
you got to wait
Oh,
for
I'm
your
going to-
teammates.
Okay, I'm
So
sorry.
she went to blood count.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not a teacher. I don't know this stuff.
All right, she went to blood count and what?
She went to blood count. So let's get there. It's on 920, I think. Yes, she went to blood count or blood cell count. Then
Blood
she
cell
went
count.
to complete.
Oh,
See the
but it would,
CBC?
if we went to blood cell count, then to annotate it, you think it'll take us there? Fran?
And then to what?
The first one on the blood count.
Automated? No.
Mhm. Or
But
the
you see,
fish-
baby, it's
the-
not just automated. It's automated with the differential. See?
So we could just go to different, the D
Yeah,
word.
you would go blood count, blood cell count, differential with, I'm sorry, blood count, CBC. Yeah, you could do differential, but that's just too many codes. Why not just go to complete?
But differential, them codes is wrong because
Oh,
it's
you're
a
right. Those codes are not right. You'd have,
Yeah,
and
it's just
Jada, you would
differential.
literally have to go look up every single one of those codes to find out what they're wrong, why they're wrong, and we only have 9 minutes left, so I can't do
Okay,
that.
okay. I was just
So we
wondering.
went to blood cell count, complete CBC, and that's where we
Yeah.
got our code ranges from. And we decided on 85025 because it's automated with differential. Okay, let's go back. A 3 specimen
So what was
glucose.
the answer? Sorry.
I'm sorry.
85025.
85025.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. A 3 specimen glucose tolerance test. I'm going to go to
A
glucose.
what?
A 3 specimen glucose tolerance test. Huh. So when you go under glucose, do y'all see tolerance test?
82951.
Give
Didn't
everybody a
see
few more.
what?
82951.
829. That's what I got.
Okay, we go to glucose, Miss Lisa, then we go to tolerance test.
Okay, I see it.
Okay.
It's gonna be 82951.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, now we're going to do a dipstick urinalysis for ketones.
Urinalysis is what we're doing.
That's where I'm going first, Miss Lisa.
Yeah.
So it's a dipstick urinalysis for ketones. I don't see anything that I like in the index. I'm sorry, I'm looking. Do y'all see anything you like?
Well, yeah,
Maybe hips
about
on body.
unlisted.
Hips on body.
That's what I'm under, ketone body.
Yeah, I just went there too. So we're looking at ketone body, guys. We went to ketones because we didn't see anything that we loved.
When I go to the book, I don't see anything for urinalysis.
Ketone body is, oh, yeah.
I see urine. I see urine quantitative, semi-quantitative, and that's it. I don't see anything about urinalysis. Ketone urinalysis.
What do you think, Penny? What we looking for?
I
What
don't
do
even
you
know. I don't even know.
think? Okay, let's keep looking. We can't quit, can we?
Maybe we can go to urine.
Can't leave it blank.
Can you go to
Urine and test.
81599 unlisted?
Okay, no. This is
Oh.
this in something like this where it's tough to find. This is what I'm going to say. So when we go to urinalysis,
Oh, I got it.
what did you go to? What did you do?
I went to urine, and then I went to test, and then it gave me 81001, and that code is automated with microscopy, but above it is urinalysis by dipstick.
Okay, well, that was sort of where I was going with it. So when we looked at urinalysis, it says automated, and that code number range is like right at the beginning. I would start in urinalysis and just read until I found my code. So when we go to urinalysis on page 554, 810000, it's urinalysis by dipstick or tablet regent for bilirubin glucose. So that's it right there. That's our urinalysis by dipstick glucose.
What is
I
it?
know that
81
was a
what?
little bit of a stretch, right?
What you say, Lena?
It's 81000. Okay, I want to look at y'all and talk to you. Okay, that didn't give us a perfect code when we looked for it in the index, correct? But it really did give us a place to start. So when I went under urinalysis, I looked right underneath and I looked at automated, and I looked at 81001. That's the beginning of urinalysis codes. So I just went to 81001.
So in this instance, you'll
Brought me
just have
to
to know
urinalysis. It brought me to urinalysis, and so I just read. But do you know if I would have actually bubbled and highlighted this part of my CPT, I would have already known where it was at? Because I already have it labeled over here for urinalysis, right? Sometimes we can't find our codes in the index. I don't know this portion as well as I do others. So, okay, so the answer is going to be 81000. So I'm going to go back to the share screen. And we're going to do one more and then we're out of time. A qualitative test for arsenic poison, a heavy metal. Oh, that's wrong. That's not the right one. I'm sorry. The one above it, a thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH test. Yeah, a thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH test.
Gotta go fast before it shut off.
It's 0418. It's about to cut off.
Okay, y'all want to hang up and then we'll just come right back? Y'all want to hang up and we'll come right back?
Sure.
Okay, let me hang up. I'm gonna end this one and I'm just gonna restart. Give me about 3 minutes to get it back up, okay? Use the same logins. I'll see y'all in a minute.